The Marenza has a conical burr grinder with 30 settings. Setting 1 is the finest, setting 30 is the coarsest. And for espresso, you'll be working in the finer range. To adjust, turn the bean container itself counterclockwise. You'll feel it step through each position, 30 distinct stops, smooth and controlled. Start at setting 10. It's a reliable middle ground for espresso, and you'll dial in from there based on what you see in the cup. Grind size has a direct effect on extraction. If the grind is too fine, the water will not flow through the coffee, even when under pressure. The resulting espresso will be over-extracted, dark in color and bitter in flavor. If the grind is too coarse, the water will flow through the ground coffee in the filter too quickly, and the pressure will sit under 6 bar. The resulting espresso will be under-extracted, lacking color and flavor. 1 or 2 notches at a time is all it takes. Small adjustments make a real difference here. The grinder is designed for roasted coffee beans only. Pre-ground coffee bypasses the burrs and can cause blockages in the grind chamber. Oily beans are also worth avoiding. The oils coat the burrs over time and affect both grind consistency and machine performance. Fresh, dry, roasted beans. That's all it needs.